Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can recover your Rockstar Social Club's account using a mobile device. So you have a Rockstar Social Club's account that you use and you have somehow forgotten or lost the password to it and lost the access to that account. Now you want to recover that account, but you want to use a mobile device in order to recover that account, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to recover your Rockstar Social Club's account using a mobile device in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to recover your Rockstar Social Club's account is open your browser and go to socialclub.rockstargames.com. Once you go to socialclubs.rockstargames.com, you'll land on an interface like this. Now here you'll have two options in front of you, one to sign in and one to sign up. The sign up option is to create a new Rockstar Social Clubs account. So in order to recover your old Rockstar Social Clubs account, what you want to do is tap on the sign in option. Then once you tap on the sign in option, you'll be redirected to a interface like this. Now this is the sign in interface for your Rockstar Social Clubs account, and here on the bottom left you'll see an option labeled as forgot your password. So in order to recover your Rockstar Social Clubs account, what you need to do is tap on that forgot your password option. Then you'll be asked to enter the email address linked to the account that you want to recover. So go ahead and enter the email address of the account that you want to recover. Once you enter the email address of the account that you want to recover, tap on the reset password button. Once you tap on the reset password button, you'll have to verify yourself, so you'll have to solve a puzzle to do that. So to solve the puzzle, tap on the verify button, then solve the puzzle. So once you solve the puzzle, what will happen is Rockstar Social Clubs will send an email to the email address that you used to create your Rockstar Social Clubs account. Now what you need to do is go and open that email. So go ahead and open that email. Now once you get to that email, look for an email from Rockstar Social Clubs which is labeled as no reply Rockstar Social Clubs account password reset. So open that email. Once you open that email, you'll see something like this. Now tap on the reset password button. Now once you tap on the reset password button, you'll be redirected to a new web page where you'll have the option to create a new password for your account. So go ahead and create a new password for your account. So once you create and confirm a new password for your Rockstar Social Clubs account, tap on the password reset button. Once you do that, you'll successfully reset your password to your Rockstar Social Clubs account. Now you can use the new password that you created in order to sign into your Rockstar Social Clubs account, which means you have successfully recovered your Rockstar Social Clubs account. So those are the simple steps in order to recover your Rockstar Social Clubs account using a mobile device in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.